What's Uppie, Uppie Adventure Crew? You ready for another adventure with Uppie? Let's go!
Things are looking up with Uppie, with Uppie.
Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm going to be your adventure guide today with Uppie. Did you hear that? I think our mystery box is here. Let's go see. Whoa, it looks like our mystery box is here. Let's see what's inside. A dodgeball. A shirt. It's about to run away. A rhino. A whistle. More animals. And another whistle. Man, this stuff is so unorganized. Maybe if we go with Uppie, maybe we can help him organize some stuff. Come on, let's go. Whoa, Uppie, what did you do? Do you guys see this giant mess that he made? What were you even doing? That's crazy. Will you guys help me and Uppie organize all of this stuff? The first thing we have to do is get stuff in piles. So let's get the bigger things first. What were you even doing with this? That makes more sense, Uppie. Then let's put the capes. What were you doing with the ribbons? No surprise. What are you trying to find, Uppie? That makes sense. I don't even think that cape could fit on you. Why would you even get it? And one more ribbon. And we're finished. Man, Uppie, next time if you're trying to find something, how about you clean it up first so then it's easier to find? Here are all the piles me and Uppie cleaned up. Right here, these are hula hoops. Oh, Uppie, this is the mask you were trying to look for. Here you go. And some capes and some costumes. It looks like some ribbons, some bouncy balls, and some flags for a racetrack. Man, I can't believe Uppie got all of this stuff out and made a giant mess. Thanks so much for helping us clean up. Hey Uppie fans, today I'm going to teach you guys how to organize the animals in different groups. First, let's unscrew this lid. Let's put it to the side right here. And let's take out all of these. Man, there's a lot of those. What's one of the things you guys see? The thing that's probably the tallest in here are these elephants. They're super cute. It's like each group has a dad, a mom, and a cute little baby. These ones are tigers. Tigers are also like this. And a tiny little baby. Let's put these little lines in a group together. I think that's all of them. And these look like rhinos. Put them right here. And a baby. So it looks like it's a tiger, a lion, elephants, and these ones look like some cute little zebras. This mom, dad, and baby. And then these are some giraffes. These are one of the tallest animals. It looks like we have some cheetahs right here. So they're pretty cool. It looks like this bear. It might be a grizzly bear, but it doesn't really have a family. And this looks like a I don't even know what animal this is. Looks like kind of like a gray pig-ish. Looks like we have a hippo. I guess it doesn't have a family. This is the only family that has 4 in it. Looks like we have a monkey and a baby monkey. Wow, thanks so much for helping me organize all of these different types of animals. Bye. Thanks so much for joining me today with Uppie. Hey Uppie, what was your favorite part? Awesome. What is your guys' favorite part? Cool. You can follow us at Uppie at Uptown. Bye.